I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. You are watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Raja Nadeem Sajjad Official. In this vlog, I'm going to talk about lung cancer cough, how to identify lung cancer cough and how to manage it. If a cough which is more than 8 weeks and getting worse may be the early sign of lung cancer. If the cough is persistent and irritating, go and see your doctor. Cough may be benign. It could be due to infection, it could be due to allergy, but it can be serious. If the cause of cough is identified early, then the outcome is always better. So how to identify that this cough is due to lung cancer? Not everyone with lung cancer has a cough. 50% or a little bit more patients have cough in early stage of lung cancer, but more patients experience cough in the later stages of the cancer. So any type of lung cancer can be associated with cough. Squamous cell carcinoma and small cell undifferentiated lung cancer are usually associated with cough. Look certain characteristics of cough for lung cancer. For example, if the cough is more than 8 weeks, whether it is a dry or productive, if cough is disturbing your night sleep, if the blood is present in the sputum, or if you are experiencing chest pain while you are coughing, breathlessness, repeated bacterial or viral infections, then it could be due to lung cancer. So now we are going to talk about a little bit more about, so how would you know that you have got lung cancer? There is no a simple way to tell that patient has got a lung cancer. So usually whenever any patient sees the doctor, so doctor takes the medical history, asks specifically about the smoking history. If patient is experiencing fever, like a hot and cold, fatigue, breathlessness, hoarse voice, chest pain, or there is a history of weight loss or blood in the sputum, loss of appetite, fatigue, then there is a suspicion of lung cancer. But this suspicion becomes really stronger when there is a blood in the sputum, shortness of breath, and abnormal breathing pattern of patient. So other symptoms of the lung cancer, as I mentioned earlier, if the cough is persistent, then there is a stronger suspicion of lung cancer if there is a blood in the sputum, but only 5% patients, they present with blood in the sputum or they spit blood in the sputum. When the lung cancer spreads beyond the lung, then patient reports about changes in the cough intensity and production of the mucus, increasing shortness of breath, pain in the chest which radiates towards shoulder or back. There are different sounds while patient is inhaling or exhaling the breath, fatigue, hoarseness or other changes in the voice, pneumonia, repeated viral infections, weight loss. So how doctor will diagnose whether this cough is due to lung cancer or any other cause? Chest x-ray will be done, computed tomography, sputum will be done and will be sent to the microbiology, blood samples, bronchoscopy. In bronchoscopy, they visualize the inside of the lung, what is the problem, and then they also take the samples. So after the confirmation of for the cause of cough, if it is due to the lung cancer, then doctor will manage the cough. So it all depends on the stage of the lung cancer and general health. If the cancer is small, then surgery is indicated, and that would be the solution of the cough. If the cancer is spreading, then chemotherapy, radiotherapy will be given. But cough could be due to the side effect of different medication. If the patient is experiencing pain, then pain will be controlled, will be managed by painkillers. American College of Chest Physicians has issued guidelines about step-by-step managing cough. So according to them, so treat of any coexisting conditions, do cough suppression exercises. There is another new treatment that focuses high dose radiation on tumors, that is called as endobronchial brachytherapy. Then different substances are used to soothe the mucous membrane. If all these therapies are failed, then doctor will use opiates, and also sometimes doctors use local anesthetics. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon button.